3 tries for your last trick. Oh, Sophia, long scuff coast, long scuff coast. Woo! First try. Woo-hoo! 10, 10, 10. Let's go, Sam. What she got? Hip double flip, first try. Well done, ladies. Give them a huge round of applause. Come on. For first place, the winner of the Expert Female Flatland competition is Sophia Pellman of Germany. And in second place, Sam LaHood of New Zealand.
Hey, Sophia, you just became the female world champion in Flatland. How does it feel?
Pretty good, I guess. I mean, I practiced a lot, so that's what I wanted.
How was your competition?
It was good. I could have fallen a little bit less, but it's okay.
What was your best trick combination today?
Probably my scuff coast circle.
And what did you think about the level of the other riders?
They're really good. It wasn't easy, so that's good.